Alright guys, so today we're just here doing some maintenance, annual maintenance on these Robe lighting Robin DL4S profile fixtures. And got 4 of them here, one here, another one over there, 2 up in the catwalk. And just going through, cleaning them out, and cleaning the lenses, and cleaning the air filters on the units, just getting all the dust out. And in case you've never seen what the inside of one of these looks like, here it is. You got your LED engine back here, gobo wheel, spinning gobo wheel, your animation wheel down there, and then the it's a color LED color mixing, so there's no CMY flags or anything like that. But you got your prism and frost and everything like that in here. And these fixtures, let me get some light in here, have a shutter module, so there's all the different shutter flags, 4 different shutter flags as well. Power supply and cooling fan back here, and all different interface boards, and then the lensing, or the zoom lens right there. It's pretty cool stuff. Anyway, we're just going through, cleaning these, and take a look back once I get them all cleaned out. Alright, now we got it all cleaned out. Go ahead and fire it up, give it a test. See, go ahead and turn this up, dimmer. Yeah, looking good there. Change the color. The console's already on, so I'm kind of fighting the console, but yeah, that's looking good. Alright, so that's just a quick look at some maintenance on the Robe lighting DLS profile spot, and I got 2 more to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more.